Heskins offers many anti-slip products designed to be used in all areas where slip prevention is required. We can offer this thanks to the variety of high-quality anti-slip surfaces we manufacture. The most popular material throughout the years is our Safety Grip anti-slip tape. Safety Grip is Heskins' first abrasive anti-slip tape, designed to be used in any industrial or general area where a non-slip surface is required. Safety Grip is constructed from aluminum oxide grit granules applied to a self-adhesive PVC band, providing excellent durability in all weather. Heskins' tougher, more industrial-grade anti-slip tapes, Course Safety Grip and X-Course Safety Grip, followed soon after. These provide an anti-slip surface which is effective in icy or muddy conditions. Safety Grip can be found in many sizes and colors, allowing you to create walkways in warehouses, use it to cover stairs and steps, and stopping slips on tiled surfaces. Heskins' non-abrasive tapes offer a similar coefficient of friction to abrasive materials, but instead offer a unique embossed PVC surface. This helps prevent slips and falls, but also makes it safe for bare feet and skin without being cut or scratched. Non-abrasive materials are made from durable embossed PVC, meaning they are, when stuck down, completely waterproof, allowing you to create a strong non-slip surface in hazardous areas where wet conditions may be a possibility. These materials will last a long time thanks to their construction and can be cleaned with ease. All of our non-abrasives will not harbor bacteria. This is thanks to their construction, which doesn't have the same peaks and troughs throughout the material that abrasive tapes do, allowing you to maintain strict hygiene levels while increasing safety standards. Heskins offers many non-abrasive materials, all of which are designed for different areas of homes, businesses, boats, swimming pools, or in more clinical and high hygiene areas like medical labs, restaurants, and clean rooms. For more information on the materials Heskins offers and where they are best applied, please contact us on 877-900-8359 or visit the website at www.heskins.us.